Hi, YouTube. You want to know who you should vote for? Not the Sons of Serendip. Don't vote for them, okay? And if you want to know why, it's because I told you to, so that's good enough. Don't vote for them! I mean it. Don't vote for the Sons of Serendip. You think I'm joking? No! Listen to me! Listen to me. You have not to vote for them. If you vote for them, I will be very, very mad at you. Do not vote for the Sons of Serendip. How many times must I say it? You don't seem to be comprehending what I'm saying. Listen to the Wolfpack. He is wise. As am I. So listen to our opinions and don't vote for them. Because I will know.